Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Ram 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.